Hi everyone, welcome back again to my session. My name is Abdulghani Abdulaziz. Have you ever needed to calculate business days quickly and you're trying to exclude weekends and holidays? In this video today, we'll explore the NETWORKDAYS.INTL function in Excel. This is actually a powerful tool to help you manage work schedules and deadlines. So what is the NETWORKDAYS.INTL function? It actually calculates the number of working days between two dates, and you can optionally exclude a list of holidays, and you can provide a way to specify which days of the week are considered as a weekend. So that was just the basic difference between the network days and the .intl. So for the .intl, you can specify your weekends, while for the network days, you can't specify your weekend. So let's take a look at what we have for today. So, as we know that dates are stored as numbers, so what this means is we can perform our basic arithmetic. So let's say I want to know the number of days between these two dates. So I can easily say equals to my end date minus my start date. So this means I have 6 days between 27th of January and 2nd of February. So if we take a closer look at this on our calendar, you'll notice that okay, from 27th to the 2nd. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 days, but this is not considering the start date. So when you're trying to use your basic arithmetic, you're trying to calculate difference between dates. So it means the start date is not considered. So let's say we want to know the working days between these two dates. How many working days do we have? So if we say we have our network days.intl, then the start date, then the end date. If we try to specify our weekend as Saturday, Sunday, or we have other weekends that we have, then we can say, okay, one is our weekend, then we can hit on our enter. So it means we have 5 working days between these two dates. And the default is even if you don't specify your weekend, the default is the Saturday, Sunday are the normal weekends. So if you look at this date also, it means we have 261 working days between 1st of January and the 31st of December 2025. We have 261 working days. So let's say we want to include weekends and holidays. So we have our list of holidays and we have our Saturday, Sunday as our weekend. So how many working days do we now have? So we have our network days at INTL. This is our start date, then our end date. So I want to specify my weekend to be Saturday and Sunday. Then I hit my one. Then I have my list of holidays listed somewhere here. Then I say this is my list of holidays for the year. Ensure you lock your cells. So what do we have here? So it means if we consider the list of holidays we have in the year and we consider our weekend as Saturdays and Sundays, so it means we have 250 working days between January 1st and 31st of December 2025. And another quick one that we can also try to use if we feel our weekends does not include the list of weekends that we have in the network days.intl function, we can manipulate our way in such a way that we can specify our weekends that we have. So let's say you work on Monday, Tuesday, you don't work on Wednesday, Thursday. So your Wednesday, Thursday is your weekend. You work on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and you want to use your NETWORKDAYS.INTL function. You can specify these as equals to NETWORKDAYS.INTL, then our start date is this, comma, then the end date is this. So this is where the trick comes in. You need to replace this with ones and zeros, and they have to be seven ones and zeros. So what it means is for the days you are on, that's your work days, you specify them as zeros. For your off days, you specify them as ones. So in this scenario, we are saying we work on Monday, we work on Tuesday, you don't work on Wednesday, you don't work on Thursday, you work on Friday, you work on Saturday, then Sunday. So you have specified your weekend. Then, if you have your holidays listed, you can also include your holidays. Ensure you fix this your holidays so that we won't have a problem while filling it down. So here, so if you work on Monday, Tuesday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and your weekend is just Wednesday, Thursday, so what it means is you would have 252 working days in the year. So let's try to take these further in the next section.